Good day to all the Pokemon fans. As part of today's video, we will be giving one subscriber who likes this video, subscribes to the channel, and comments on this video a newly designed Charmander art piece. One additional subscriber will win a free Obsidian Flames booster pack. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to enter. Okay, so we have a Pokemon Go Dragonite VStar Premier Deck Holder Collection from GameStop.
Yeah, we picked it up today.
$34.98.
Yeah, 10 months ago these were going for $50, and we found one in the shop today at GameStop.
Okay. All right, here we go. So first things first, one Premier Ball. I actually don't know how to open that. I'll let you do it so I don't break it.
Oh, it's just for cards.
Yeah, it's some kind of deck holder.
What, promo cards?
Yeah, 2 of them. Supposedly, I think. I got one code card. All right, so you got a Dragonite V, and it is a black promo card.
Yeah.
And then we have a Dragonite VStar from Pokemon Go. This is the promo card, but it's still super nice. And both of these actually look really good.
In the past, we have gotten some way off center promo cards.
This one's off center, but these two are really good. Yeah. All right, and then as part of this pack, you get an additional 9 packs. Is that correct?
Looks like it.
Yeah.
Empty box. And then
I think some of these are smaller packs, though, if I'm not mistaken.
also some codes for Pokemon Go.
Yep. I don't know if there's a trick for this one. You want to try 4 and we'll see what happens?
Yeah.
Okay. No, looks like that's right. Get a Charmeleon. Lure module.
Now there's rainbows in this one, which I'm super excited about.
Those. Pidove. Magikarp. Melton. Eevee. Pikachu. And last but not least, oh, a Slowbro. And then last
but not least.
Oh.
Oh, look at the little Pikachu.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Both of those are really cool.
The little Ash Ketchum hat. We'll just do a whole stack today. Most of it's kind of good.
Yep. Code card. Psychic Energy. Pokestop. Slowbro.
Another one.
Candela. Another Bidoof. Oh, cool. Charmander.
Charmander. We'll have to make some artwork out of that.
Apom.
Oh, Bulbasaur.
A Bulbasaur.
Sweet. I need
A
these cards.
Pidove.
Another
An Eevee. Oh, and a Moltres.
Sweet. We're gonna have
A
some
holographic
cool,
Moltres.
we're gonna have some cool artwork coming from this. I'm very excited. We'll go back through.
All right, another code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got ourselves a V-Star. Camerupt, Steelix, Candela, Alolan Rattata, a Bidoof, another Charmander,
Nice.
Apom, another Bulbasaur,
Sweet.
a Moltres reverse holo this time, and a Snorlax.
My spirit animal.
Yeah.
Oh, you could be like, no, it's not your spirit animal. Yeah, I think I like these cards to make some brains out of.
Got our code card. Just a little bit of damage on some of these cards. Specifically this one this time. Spark. Chansey. Yeah, I forget what these are called. I don't remember how to spell it. Slowpoke. Bibarel. Another Pikachu, which is great. Spinarak. Alolan Rattata, which I really like the artwork for those. Those are really cool. Something cool is back there. A Pidove. And an Alolan Executor. That's really cool.
It's a palm tree.
Yeah. They grow tall because they get more sun in the Hawaii, or the lowland region, which is supposed to be like Hawaii.
You got it.
Yeah. That was weird. I've literally never had that happen to me.
Where did it go?
That was...
We're also sporting our new mat today that we got from our Charizard
Code card.
Ultimate Premium Collection.
Which was paid for.
Yes, because we pulled a Leafeon.
Leafeon,
Man,
yep.
Let me go.
VMAX.
Yep.
Chansey, another one of those birds. Bibarel, Spinarak, Pidove, Alolan Rattata, a Wimpod, another one of those. Oh, and then another Executor V. Is it the same?
No, it's different.
Let me see the other one. Oh, okay.
So they're both full art.
Yeah, they look really nice. All right, looks like we got 4 more packs to go.
Pulling the same ones. I'm kind of liking these packs because they got the old school
Good
Pokemon
card.
in there. We both knew I needed some Bulbasaur. Oh, look how that card is all inked up.
Chansey, Steelix, another bird, Alolan Raticate. I really like
those chubby little cheeks.
Tranquil, a Larvitar,
Yeah, I like that one. We'll have to do some artwork on
Not
that
too.
one as well.
Ambipom,
That's not the thing.
Apom. No, that's
Apom's
the
the
one.
one that went crazy on
The movie.
the movie, yeah.
And then a Blissey.
Yeah, we have random stacks going on this time.
Code card.
So what do you think about the 2 Dragonites that you got? The promo card.
The V-Star is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
V-Star is nice. And the V is even, I mean, they're both really cool. I like them. Oh, cool. War Turtle. Always like War Turtle.
Is that
Slowbro.
so? If that's stage 2, what's stage 1? Oh,
Uh,
it's Squirtle.
are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're
Lunatone.
educating me.
Spinarak. Pidove. Alolan Rattata. Wimpod. Another Pikachu. A Lure Module. Oh, and then another Pikachu.
Look, you have always said that if I had Pokemon, that I would have the cute ones and I would never evolve them.
Correct.
So that's exactly why I didn't know who Wartortle was. Because I literally would pick Squirtle with sunglasses and that's it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And I would go surfing with him
Oh
every day.
no. Hopefully it's not awesome.
Yeah, it's a rainbow card.
It probably will be. Spark, Arados, Alolan Rattata, a lot of these, a lot of Bidoofs, a lot of Charmanders, a lot of Apoms.
Bulbasaur, like
More
literally
Bulbasaur, a reverse hollow.
Reverse hollow.
Okay, both of those are really good. And then our last pack. Not sure if we've made your money back or not.
Well, I will say, like I said, this was $50 when it first came out like 10 months ago. We picked this up at our local GameStop for $33, not including your...
And we got some free Dragonites out of it.
Yeah, and I really needed some Bulbasaurs and some Squirtles for some artwork.
Ivysaur, Pokestop, man, more Bidoves, Onyx, Eevee, a good Charmander, Apom, and lastly, Golisopod.
Aw. Well, don't forget, we have the drawing going on, so leave a like, subscribe to the channel.
And comment on the video.
Yep.
And we will be getting better with these as we go along. All right, thank you.